Hi, welcome to Tricia's Makeup World. If you're new to the channel, hi, I'm Tricia and I absolutely love playing around with colourful makeup, and this is Pep, who's had a great Christmas, haven't you? You got spoiled. Hey! I hope everyone had a lovely Christmas and a happy new year. We're going to do a revisit, just with it still being sort of get away with Christmassy time. I thought we would revisit the 'Tis the Season. I do have the Attitude Cosmetics palettes. We will do a look each with the palettes. I'll probably tie it into one video with the two palettes. I do have a Harry Potter collection that we'll do a video with, and I got a palette from my brother as well, a La Rock one. We'll do a two look with that as well. But anyway, we're just going to get stuck right in. We're going to do a nice Christmassy look with the 'Tis the Season. I'm just going to get the things ready here. I think we're just going to do a cut crease, guys. I've already got on the Santa Baby lipstick from the collection, and I've got the Nutmeg blush on, and I've got my base face on. I'm still using the Revolution Skin Silk foundation. But yeah, we're just going to get stuck right in, and I think we're going to go into this red shade here. I'm thinking of doing like a red and green, and we might do like a liner like white and green or white and red or something as well. I'm going to take my angled flat brush for this, and we're going into the shade called Stocking, this one here. And I'm just going to map out my shade, my shape. Well, our Christmas, yeah, Alan wasn't very well all last week. Missed out on Christmas dinner. Oh dear, it wasn't a very good week for Alan at all. Being unwell. It must be, I don't know if it was something going round or what, because I spoke to my sister and they hadn't been very well either over Christmas. It was like maybe something going round. Yeah. Just had a quiet new year, watched a film together. Feel that we're a bit too old for going out these days. My daughter was away out. Just making sure that they're even. And then I'm going to take a fluffy brush, this one, and we're going to go into the shade here, which is called Ribbon. And I'm just going to very lightly, just try to blend it out a bit. Same at the other side. Like so, I think. We'll take this flat brush. I'm actually going to spray it with the green. And I'm going into this one up here, which is called Decoration. And I'm just going to follow the shape. Now you could, if you wanted to, you could go and cut Carver or micellar water or Vaseline to make the line more, you know, like standing out, but I want it to be quite soft because I am going to go in with a liner. I'll probably do it off camera. I'm just trying to follow my shape around. I'm using a flat brush. So do the same at the other side. Yeah, apart from that, Christmas was okay. The usual, watching lots of Christmas movies, having a nice Christmas dinner. Got some really nice Christmas presents. I got a laptop. I needed a new one for doing my videos. I've probably mentioned that. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into this one here, or in my inner corner. And that one is called, wait till I see, oh. Tinsel. That's fine, I quite like that. That looks okay. I might go in a bit, I might go in with my finger just a little bit, just to brighten that green up a bit. Do the I want to put under my eyes? Do I want to do red, or shall we do purple, or maybe a bit of green? Yeah, let's, do you know what, I think we'll maybe put green on underneath, and I'm going to go into this one first, and just put it underneath like so. And then I'll take that fluffy brush and go into this one here, and just fluff it out like so. You could leave it like that if you wanted, you know, it's still quite pretty like that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to jump off camera and I'm going to attempt liner, like, I don't know, like candy cane, maybe red and white, or maybe green and white, I'm not sure. I'll be back in a minute, guys. And I'm back again. I've added like just kind of like a sort of candy cane sort of liner to the look, just to jazz it up. And this is just using the Tis the Season collection. I will be back again with another video probably next week. We'll maybe do the Attitude Cosmetics, maybe we'll do Harry Potter, I'll just have to wait and see. I will this time remember to include the swatches. I know in the previous video I totally forgot. New computer, so I'm going to blame it on that. And I will see you all again for another video.